All right, well, this one's not going to be pleasant, but we'll do it anyway because that's fun. Let's multiply both sides by 4. Whenever you divide an entire side by a number, the first thing you're going to want to do is get rid of that number by multiplying both sides by 4. So that's taken care of. 4 times -1 is -4. -4 is greater than, now that the 4's are gone, 12 plus x. Now, remember, solving an inequality is the same as solving an equation with 2 extra rules. One of those rules will apply. We'll get there. But x is not all by itself. 12 is floating around. How do you get rid of a positive 12 that's just floating around? Well, subtract 12, of course. And that gets us -4 minus 12 is -16 is greater than x. Now, again, what I just said is solving an inequality is just like solving an equation with 2 rules. One rule involves dividing or multiplying by a negative. That didn't happen. The other rule was swapping where your variable belongs. I like my variable on the left. So if -16 is greater than x, that means x is less than -16, and you literally flip-flop everything, including the sign. Now that we have -16, we can put some numbers down here and fill everything in. The numbers really don't matter, or the placement of the number. The original number doesn't matter as long as you have -16 somewhere on it. This always takes forever. Don't know why I do this to myself. And we're done. Since x is less than and not less than or equal to -16, we're going to take a circle on -16 but not fill it in. Since x is everything smaller than it, we're going to fill in everything to the left of it. Now, what this green shaded arrow indicates is any number that is smaller than -16, like -20, like -1,000,000, I can plug into the original equation and this will give me a true statement. I'm not allowed to include -16, but I'm allowed to include like -16.01. Anything smaller than it will do just fine. So that's how you solve and graph this inequality.